Yeah, so people, I come to address something real quick. For the people them where they in my DM on Instagram, where message me and I tell them about my baby father, this and my baby father, that, and my baby father move on and oh mama say hurt and this and that. Get a hold on yourself. Get a hold on yourself. I want to come for address come I go live in but me not ready yet. Me I come for your writer so first. Don't wake a sleeping lion here. Don't wake a sleeping lion. Cause what you don't know, bigger than uno. If me, Miss Chin, did want back my baby father, me and him would have there right now. And not somebody else. So listen to me. Come out on my DM and don't make me have to listen. Come out on my DM and put some respect on my name. Because I don't know nothing about me and this man. Yeah. Uno with shame. Remember me tell you that. Get a hold on yourself.
Okay, boom. Telephone thing mash up my life. No, I mean. Boy. People, what's popping? You don't know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beat and it can't see. But on the screen, all the thing are going, you know, my people. And just like clockwork, people was expecting Miss Chin to forward out to declare her love for her baby daddy, Kiprich. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Because a lot of people is saying in my comments, nobody in the link on the DM. And she just been wanting to step out and make, you know, a bunch of noise and all of this thing. Because, you know, so Kiprich is the love of her life. This is my saying right now, Miss Kizzy in my feature. And you know that about it, I have a child. This is my say, so it's serious. You know, this is, you know, a bonding moment for everybody. But not everybody want to be bonded. This is my say, as Miss Chin says, she got to deal with it, you know, wickedly. Yeah. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because a lot of people is saying this for rich Kiprich in our life, you know, because man like them always are going, you know, like them want the youngins them. This is my saying, grooming business and all of these things. You know what I mean? But just to give you a quick update while going for this you can press pause and read the comments on yourself. But yeah, let's proceed to the next. No, the next trending news I see out at Jamaica, and it's very sad, my people. It has to do with Rosealee, because it looked like the new house that she moved into, she got evicted out of. Yes, because it seems like one police remanded leased the house. And it seems like the neighbors found out that, you know, one of the most famous people on TikTok is their neighbors, and they didn't want that because I guess, you know, rat doodoo and all them things from Save Fire follow. And you know, the bagga nice and all of these things, you know. So the bedroom set that Akeam bought for her, and along with other furniture. Yeah. I don't know, you know. It's my saying it look like she have to go move back with Lavina and all of these things. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because it don't look like, you know, the husband and wife want to be living together. You know what I mean? I don't know if this is a series or not. They say it to be serious, but you're right. If people is married, I think they should be living together. But nevertheless, it's a flex. And Akeem said, if you stop watching Pocket, and he has a few messages for his haters.
In the office, explain and screen record. Me have beg you catch this, cause me want who fi hear it. You see what me I say? Me not have to come over here. Come explain my financial status to no boy or no girl. You see what me I say? Me no come over here and say me buy this and never buy it yet. You see anything me buy, me tell you something. Me no brag with people things and boast with people things. Me not even boast with my owner things them. Uno supposed to see that and know that. You see what me I say? And me there with a woman are more light like feather. You see what me I say? So me now go come over here come tell you no say, yo, me buy that and me not buy that. And that me I tell you no. You see it? Me is a man of my word, bro. I remember when me just a date this a female, yeah, bro. Me remember when me just a date her before me start get kinds, me did a do all of this. You see what me I say? Remember my money I spend a do all of this. You see what me I say? So all I want naysayers and no chatty mouths over there we are talk off on the mouth. Woman no mind me, yeah? Me tell you no that from now. You see? Me never meet in a situation and a girl na help me out. You see what me I say? But me not sit down and wait for a woman for mind me. Or one of them man I say, yo, watch out. People, watch out. I mean buy this for my girl, you know. I me never buy. Me nah make no girl post nothing when me not buy. That me I tell you. You see what me I say? Me nah look no glory, no form of glory me nah look. Me nah look no form of glory for nothing when me not do. I tell you that. Who would say, yo, talk to Rose and Rose do this and Rose do that and Rose do that. Enough time I could have come over here on the live and say, be more and talk to your for me look like the better person. Me never even try that. Me any live and me call her upon her phone and me and her reason and me tell her, say, hey, look girl, I fuck her you do, you know. I mean, not uphold with you, you know. But me not tell her upon the life, you feel good about yourself. You can come and say, you see? All our man, I tell her, all our man, this goes on and all that. No. Me call her upon her phone and anything me and her have, me and her sit down and we talk about it and it's a done deal. That me I tell you. So me now go come over here, come talk to her in front of Uno. If Uno feel better about yourself. You see what me I say? No time, bro. Because you say if me follow Uno, 28 would be possible. I'm a Friday. Yeah. You see it? Follow, bro. Just when anytime you see me, I just know say I one Akeam, one Rosalee, one figure it out, and one diamond. You see what I say? And this as far as it go, bro. Anytime you see we, are the fantastic for them. You see it? And some people eat the fact that we're togetherness. It's crazy.
And he's absolutely right. People, you don't know the thing said. Kingmixup is no liar and we're not biased. Akeam has always been getting money. However he's been getting it. And you know, Snow and Nicholas and you know the rest of the Tappa man them been buying him stuff according to his friend them. We went over that during the download series of Dancehall. Yes, I say, put in the comment section where you think about that. But speaking about money, my peeps, it's not looking good out here because Kaylan mom is thinking about suing Shabada and possibly Ivany and others because of defamation of character. You don't know the thing's set. They're going around saying she collected $62 million and all of these things, Van Fix and BBL and all of this stuff, you feel me? So we dropped that video upon my Boom Bye Bye news channel. But right now, Queen Bella is defending Ivany, but I'll give you my opinion after she speaks.
I stand with Ivany. Ivany don't owe nobody no obligation. She don't hold nobody no obligation. She's a beggar over here like everybody else. We not love to come talk about cancer and cancer. Me tell you no for cancer. Not until you no cancer Destiny, Jaden, Shibada, Zozo, Dirty GX, we beat Rosalee like dog on public display. And we no still over there celebrate him. We no cancel them people and many more. They no can come chat to Vani. At this point, Vani can say whatever she want to say. She don't want nobody no obligation. I feel bad for the little girl, yes. But you no can't bully people out of them one little clients. She spend hours to beg her money and build her platform. So if she don't want to use her platform, she don't have to use her platform. We no love to talk about cancer. We no for cancel, no not cancel. Look how much time Jakes beat Rosalee on camera out here, so I wanna still welcome him. Look how much time Jaden videotape people in woman them, you know what, and I put you up on the internet. I wanna still celebrate them. But those over there beat Britney. Look what come out of Shibada mouth all the time. Look what come out of Destiny mouth all the time. What a Vani, you don't have strength for? You don't cancel no self. A bad man or a bad man people. The same time you don't like somebody as soon as you hear something about them so you don't want to jump on it. Vani have the right have the right to say who she want on her platform and who she don't want on her platform and who she want to help and who she don't want to help and she don't help already and she not to help again. She a beggar like everybody else, so everybody go beg for themselves and get it. Kaylan more forget it more than Vani. Because people love it sorry for. You understand? I mean, I have nothing against a little girl. It's a little girl when me actually feel her pain and me give already. But when we're not going to bully people and talk about people for cancer Vani for what? We need to help Vani build her platform. We don't have the most dirtiest thing to say about Vani, but we don't want her for help. We don't talk about her underneath, we don't talk about her past, we don't talk about her, we don't class her daily, but you know what? Leave the girl alone. Not tell you no cancel the sad man them with the internet and beat the woman them and a disgrace the woman them no can circle it. Circle it. When you go take down GX for beat Rosalee for years. Beat Rosalee on public. Thousands of people are watching my beat Rosalee. When you go take down people like them there, don't know can circle me and Vani and come talk with. But for right now, I stand with Vani. Vani can say whatever she wants to say. A fair platform. Come out of my view. And go take down the butler.
Okay, people, this is my opinion on things. First and foremost, I want Kaylan to get whatever help she can get to get what she needs. You see myself to feel better. With that being said, when you're collecting money from people, especially the public, over 10,000 US dollars, it's best to be transparent at all times, so you won't have to be in a position to have to defend yourself, to strangers. You see what I'm saying? And this is why I asked where's the GoFundMe page around this time, because we know so one was, dealt with before. And as you can see, they met their goal, but they needed more. Now, this time they only want to go live with big rankers and only collecting Zelle and Cash Apps, where it's not really transparent and we don't really know if people is reaching their goal. But with that being said, I don't even think there's a possible lawsuit, and if she does go through with it, she would have to show all of these donations that she got throughout the years, these old Cash Apps account, everything, you feel me, Zelle, bank wire transfer, everything, to see if how much millions, if not thousands, was collected. Obviously, we know some things was used for personal use because she had to take off of work to take care of her child. But then again, that, it's problems because, if you go through GoFundMe, you have to use it for what you say and things. But them said I'm not registered yet and things. But anyway, people, we're not going along with this no longer. It's my bless.